Now at 11, it is officially severe weather season. Strong storms rolling through West Michigan tonight. The story of this storm, though, will be the hail, golf ball size, falling from the sky. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Brian Sterling.
And I'm Susan Shaw, anchoring from home tonight. Within the past hour, the storm threat has officially ended in West Michigan.
I want to show you the hail reports first, but we're going to go into more detail with these in just a moment. But look at how many have fallen across West Michigan and even Wisconsin here.
Well, I figured it would. I said I'm not surprised there aren't more windows busted. That was amazing.